friends, today we are going to see how to make a easy and simple lantern using color paper. I choose 2 color papers so that we get a double color effect. So I have taken red and orange. I cut a small triangle of a paper and pasted on the other. I marked 2 cm border for all the sides. For every 2 cm, I marked a line. I safely cut out the lines without touching the borders, like what I have in this picture. I cut the last strip alone and applied glue at the corners. Now I am rolling it and forming a circle. Now the outer layer of the lantern is almost ready. After that, for the inner layer, we need to take a plain orange paper. I rolled it and kept it inside the lantern. I placed glue on the corners to make it a circle. Slightly pulled down the outer layer, applied glue to it and made it look like this. Okay friends, the body of the lantern is ready and we are going to make the base and the top. For that, I made a circle with a compass and made a triangle on it. After that, I cut out the triangle and made it like a cone. Now I made another circle and cut it out like this to make the base. After that, again I formed that one also like a cone. I placed glue on the faces of the bottom and then I attached the body of the lantern to it. Now I take the cone, which is the top, and attach a long strip to it to make a handle. I attach the top to the lantern. See friends, how nice it is. Now the lantern is ready, but I wanted to make some decorations. So I took 2 long strips and made some decorations. Friends, to make it more presentable, you can even add lights on it. Okay friends, now our lantern is ready. End of video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.